Okay, since this is just going to be a small book, I'm just going to do it out of fondant. If it's anything larger than this, I would actually use cake. Okay, so we'll just do something like this, and then just cut with a pizza cutter. I need a rectangle shape. This is going to be the inside pages. And make it a little shorter. Okay, it's just going to sit up here. Okay, so that's that one. Now I need the blue rolled out. Okay, and I'm going to flip it over. Now take this is where the pages would be. Just take any type of tool that you have laying around. Just make some lines here for the pages. You just need it to do it on the on 3 sides. Here, here, and over here. Okay, and then we can place it in here. We're not going to need all this fondant, so we can go ahead and cut right about there. Just want a little bit of an overhang. And either a little bit of water, or I just have a little bit of shortening here. I'm going to put the shortening on there for it to stick. And then we'll fold this over, use the scissors, cut right about there. A little bit more shortening. Just need to stretch that out a bit. Gotten a little short on that side. And then we want to make a little line right in here. So just take, this is a Dresden tool, a veining tool. And I can just make a little line here. You could use, if you don't have one of these, you could just use the back of a paintbrush. Draw a little line like that. And we want to pick this up. And then decide which way we want to place it, this way or the pages forward. I think I'll go ahead and place it like that. And then the next thing I want to do is a little, I guess we'll do the apple first. I was going to do the chocolate, but we might need that apple on here first. Okay, so for that I need to get a little bit of cake and we'll be right back.